Welcome this video outdoor kitchen build idea. Create an outdoor kitchen is a dream of me homeowner. Look to elevate your backyard into a functional and style space for entertain, look and enjoyment. The outdoor water your start for switch or entrance and explore setup the possibility and delay for rustic stone design to sleep modern layout. Here are some outdoor kitchen idea to inspire your project. Define your proper and style. The front step in design your outdoor kitchen is to determine its purpose, the purpose and the style you want to access. Well, it's up as a simple glory style or a full edge space for host dining, modern and minimalist, other for clean line, streamline, appear and sleep, countertop, use metal, material color like black or white to create the bring and comprehensive look. Rustic charm, incorporating natural materials such as stone or wood, add decoration elements like lecturing or pots, plants to enhance the rustic vibrant. Choose the right location. Location is Cambo 1. Build an outdoor kitchen. Idea it should be close to your indoor kitchen for easy access to spot. Back bring exhaust smoke into your home. Consider the view. Posting the kitchen to max view in your gardening pool or other screen elegant. A pergola access to build